Here we come to the elevator at Brenham City Hall in Brenham, Texas. Looks like a slap-on modded Otis Lexan. Definitely had Lexan.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
A dry power motor. Installed in 1977. Door close button does not work. Got a quick have you. Records say that this is completely original, but all they did was just slapping a new COP over the Lexan. Aside from the slap-on mod, this elevator is almost totally original. I wish I could hear the motor better without the fan. I mean, it would have definitely have an epic dry powered motor anyways. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.